Honorable Union Minister for Chemical, Fertilizer and Parliamentary Affairs, Shri Anant Kumar ji, other dignitaries on the dais from Government of India and Government of Karnataka, industry colleagues, members of the press, delegates of the dais, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. It is my pleasure indeed as the chairman of the FICCI Pharma Committee to welcome you all on this important occasion of Indian Pharma 2017 here today at Bengaluru. The Indian pharmaceutical industry is one of the fastest growing knowledge-based sectors of the Indian economy and has achieved global recognition as a producer of low-cost, high-quality bulk drugs and formulations. It is the backbone of any healthcare program of our country and has the responsibility of providing quality health products at a reasonable price. India and the Indian pharmaceutical industry is proud to make available essential medicines for numerous diseases prevalent across the globe. As per IMS, the global market size in calendar year 2015-16 was estimated at 1,060 billion. India's total exports of pharmaceuticals during the year 15-16 was at 16.8 billion with a growth of 9.4%. India's exports in rupee terms, we recorded a growth of 17% and was valued at 110,522 crores during 15. India enjoyed a share of 12.6 billion of the $294 billion US generic market. Indian exports grew at 12.8% during 15-16. US, South Africa, UK, Nigeria, Russia have been the top importers of medicines from India. As I mentioned, I recently took over the responsibility of the chairman of the Pharma Subcommittee. We would soon be inducting committee members along with freezing the priority items for this year. I would like to take this opportunity to inform our Honorable Minister. Sir, very soon we would be meeting you to brief you about the committee's priorities. We look forward to working with you closely to take our vibrant sector to the next level. Next, I would also like to acknowledge here the leadership as well as the partnership spirit of so many officers from the government who have been working night and day to facilitate smooth functioning of the system in an open, transparent manner. It is also evident from the gathering here that interministerial communication and coordination has improved a lot to facilitate the industry. You would agree with me that the functioning of CDSCO, DCGI offices has also transformed immensely, and the timelines as well as transparency is at an all-time high. Does this mean that all is well and nothing can be improved? Well, absolutely. Things could improve further. If India is to become one of the top 3 pharmaceutical markets in the coming decade, we need to do better than our best we've ever done so far. First and foremost, the government needs to share its broad vision for the pharmaceutical industry. The DPCO implementation issues, lack of convergence between pricing regulators and the industry in general, greater clarity on many aspects of clinical trials, API policy, and cutting India's reliance on China, incentives to innovate in India, cutting the R&D timelines. I mean, some of these broader issues mandate a healthy debate and an early resolution to them. I'm sure under the leadership of Honorable Minister Sir and his team on and off the dais, all would be as keen as we are to usher in the next wave of pharmaceutical evolution. In conclusion, Indian Pharma 2017 is a Department of Pharmaceutical FICCI-led unique platform where the government, industry regulators, academia, investor communities, all thrown to find a common ground to propel India's growth story. And I wish this Congress a great success. Thank you all.